حوالي 20 سنة كنا نشرب من أي نقطة بالعاصي نوصل منها هي مي صالحة للشرب، ولكن كثرة المسامك والمطاعم سببت بعض التلوث الضئيل على نهر العاصي. ومن ضمن في عدة أشياء على العاصي بينشغلوا غير السمك، هن سياحة، زراعة، والسمك هو من ضمن الزراعة. وبسبب كثرة المسامك على نهر العاصي اللي هن صاروا حوالي 160 مسمكة، صار في عنا لعب بالبيئة وبتغير البيئة شوي.
Assi River is very important for Hermel region, but in Assi we have a big problem is the pollution. So we try in cooperation with our Italian partners to find some solution for this problem.
In introducing the Phytodepuration technology, what we did is just reproducing the ecosystem of the river that year by year has been destroyed by the building of so many aquaculture plants, restaurants and so on that have impacted on the river banks of the river.
Phytodepuration is a method to treat the wastewater using plant, and it is aimed to remove the pollutants of the wastewater.
Fitoambient è un particolare esperimento di cooperazione allo sviluppo tra la comunità esontina e la comunità dell'Alta Valle della Beccaa. Fitoambient è nato diversi anni fa da una singolare esperienza di cooperazione che ha visto come protagonista l'ufficio tecnico locale del Ministero degli Esteri. È stato infatti grazie alla loro sollecitazione che abbiamo preso contatto con la comunità di Hermel, in particolare con la Confederazione dei Municipi che insistono sul fiume e con l'Associazione Culturale di Hermel. Grazie a loro infatti siamo riusciti a comprendere le necessità di questa piccola comunità collocata nell'alta valle della Beccaa al confine con la Siria, e grazie al fondamentale apporto dell'UTL abbiamo generato un proficuo quadro di relazioni tra la nostra e la loro comunità, che ha consentito al progetto di crescere e di essere congiuntamente sviluppato e quindi implementato.
Last year we have received the visit of the experts of Friuli Venezia Giulia in order to, and we discussed the possibility of implement this kind of project. The Italian cooperation, which is not involved as a fund the project, but is involved in giving support, logistical support, and the contacts and communication with the potential counterparts. In the first meetings, we have selected together the area, the sector, and the counterparts, institutional counterparts and scientific counterparts.
The steps of the project started from first coordinating with the local authorities like Municipality of Hermel, the Union of Municipalities, the Cultural Association of Hermel to do the awareness campaign in 2 schools.
Lega Pesca has been working since 2008 in supporting the trout farmers and local authorities of Hermel in improving the sustainability of their aquaculture activities.
أيضا المؤسسة تعنى بتقديم الإرشاد الزراعي للمزارعين. من هنا يجب العمل على الحفاظ على الموارد الطبيعية وخاصة المياه. فإذا نحن نشكر منظمة ليغا بيسكا التي أقامت تجربة عملية صغيرة على تنقية المياه وتخفيف التلوث من خلال زرع النباتات على ضفاف نهر العاصي.
أنا شاركت مع الجمعية ليغا بيسكا كوبيراتيف ليغا بيسكا. هذا الدور كبير كتير للأكبر نار الماء باللبنان، وهذا شيء مبلش تنتج هذا الشيء مبلش بيكسر قيمته.
السمك صغير لما بننقله من المفقس على النهر بيكون معرض ليلقط أي أمراض موجودة بالنهر وبسرعة فائقة، فلهذا السبب بيأثر كتير أي نسبة تلوث بسيطة على سمك الترويت، لأنه هو بحاجة إلى مياه نقية 100%. مثل ما حكينا، بما أنه نحن رزقتنا ومعيشتنا ومعيشة عدة عائلات من حوض نهر العاصي ولنحد من نسبة التلوث، فقمنا بالمشاركة مع جمعية ليغا بيسكا اللي هي جمعية إيطالية وكتير اشتغلت معنا وكتير مهتمة بالبيئة بحوض نباتات لتنقية المياه اللي خارجة من المسامك اللي بتسبب النهر. وأخذت على عاتقي هذا المشروع ونفذناه وحتشوفوه ببعض فيديو.
Fitoambient project has many steps, starting from the site identification to have the convenient place. Second, the vegetation identification in order to select the most suitable plants and trees that are able to reduce the polluants biologically. Third, we did the construction of the pilot plant. And later we did a training for experts coming from many local authorities, from municipalities, the Ministry of Agriculture, and other social community organizations, in order to be trained and be available for doing this training for others in case they order it. And finally, we are doing every 2 months sampling of water and sediments in order to be sent to AUB laboratory to be measured for specific parameters. These analyses will be interpreted later in order to see the efficiency of this pilot plant in reducing the pollution of the water river.
The wastewater entry in the constructed wetland plants, and the main pollutants are removed through different mechanisms. And following the wastewater go out from the plant with a better chemical and microbiological quality. Removal from the plants and microorganisms that use the pollutants, the organic pollutants, for their metabolisms as nutrient. The second one is a physical removal by the soil, because the soil has clay and for example metal cation and phosphorus are absorbed on the clay. And the second one is the removal of microorganisms through the competition with the endogenous microorganisms of the soils, for example fungi and bacteria.
We also have tried to transfer the concept that trout farmers and local authority should perceive the economic benefit that can come out from the introduction of the phytodepuration system. Economic benefits that are related to a better price that can be obtained by a higher quality product on the market, and at the same time to a lower mortality rate of the trouts.
The quality of water, it will goes down river bad. So the phytodepuration plant will give best water quality for the downside farms. If we have other phytodepuration plant, it will be very effective for the trout quality. The application of this kind of project in Assi River, it will give a very positive economical effect for all the Assi River citizens, the farmers and the agriculturals, even the restaurant owners.
Con Fitoambient vogliamo dare un contributo sostanziale a migliorare da un lato la qualità del fiume Assi, uno dei due principali fiumi libanesi. Dall'altro andiamo anche a sviluppare un percorso partecipativo fra tutti gli operatori significativi della popolazione libanese per aumentare la consapevolezza sulla necessità di tenere il proprio fiume pulito.